All right, good morning, Omega 5 Fisher fans. So today we're at the Encinal boat launch in Alameda. We're gonna try our luck out here, see if we can get some halibut. Also still trying to tune up the boat, so we'll see how it goes. Right now it's still dark, but I got Chris with me again, so let's see how it goes. All right, guys, wish us luck. We got fish on. Here's the gaff. Let's see what it is first. What is it? Oh, big one, big one, big one. All right, I'll go on this side. Take off the cap. You got the cap off?
Cap's off.
That's a keeper.
Oh, shoot. Whoa.
Woke him up, woke him up, woke him up. They woke him up. Woke him up.
Pierce him all the way.
Oh, shit.
God damn it. Sorry.
It's all right. It's not your fault.
You know. At least he's still on there. Shoot.
Ready. Yeah! No? It's all good. Came off the hook. Yep. All right, first fish, guys. Looks like a 24, 25. Hook's still good. Where's my fish grip? See it, guys, right here. Right there, baby. Caught it on camera, somewhat. I know it's shaking a lot.
Hold on, my fucking. Look at my tremolo came out of my fish.
Where'd you try to gaff it? That's what I wonder.
My bad, bro.
It's all good. Here's a scissor.
I'm trying to see where I can get it.
I know you got it right here.
Yeah,
Here's the skin a little bit there. But I don't know if that went all the way through. Oh, over the boat, over the boat.
Releasing. Oh, shit.
Bloody decks. Carabiner, hold on. All right, first one on board, baby. Let's get some more. All right, guys, fish on again. Maybe about 15 minutes later. My reel's acting up though. Fuck. See what this is. Here's the gaff again.
Let's try it.
Get it in the belly. More towards you. Wait, let me reel up a little more.
No, look at it.
This is Does it look like a keeper?
I don't know.
Oh.
Looks kinda.
No, that's small. That's net. That's a shaker.
Yeah.
All right, shaker guys, going back in the water. Get bigger, guy. Bye.
Bye.
All right, number 2. So one keeper, one shaker. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully Chris will be on next. Bit choppy out here, guys. Still trolling. Me and Chris. No other boats around us. There's a couple to the right. I don't know if it's the fleet or what, but you know, hopefully they're out here. So far we got one keeper, one shaker. Chris is still waiting for his bite, but a little choppy, as you can see in the water, bouncing up and down a lot. Let's see if I can gaff this guy. Oh man. Let's see how big he is. Another shaker. Can you lift him?
Yeah, I'll just lift it.
Alright guys, I think Chris is on. Whip out the gaff. Big fight. Try to keep him away from the motor, huh? Yeah. You know what? Let me pull my shit in. Okay. Where are we at? Okay. Alright, Chris got a shaker. Don't know, but we're gonna measure. It looks like a keeper, but it's too close to tell. Okay. Woo! Angry bird.
God.
Alright, nice catch, Chris. Hope he's a keeper. Come on, baby, keeper.
Let's hope.
Get Chris on the board. Oh, looks close. Oh, yeah! Oh, it's like a 23, guys. 23.
Keeper.
Yeah, buddy.
All right.
Stringer.
We out here. Balls are bouncing. Fish are stuck in there. Yeah.
All right, guys, Chris is on again. Hopefully there's a gaffer. Oh, that's a gaffer. That's a gaffer. Bring it close. I'm sorry I wet you.
It's okay. Remember, I'm only fucking
was a shitty gaff job, but oh, we got a big one. That's at least that's at least a 26. 25, 26. Good job, Chris. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's about time that it was already bent. Come on.
Oh, man, that was good, dude.
Where's that big boy at? Down there. Yeah. Look at that big boy.
You can see, bigger than the ruler.
Definitely. Definitely. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't
If
know.
you were to read the number.
Probably 20.
25. I'd say 23,
24, 25, yeah. 24, 25.
Thicker than a Snicker. Thicker than a Snicker. Ain't that right, Joel? Chris gets to put a second fish on his stringer. This lucky guy out fishing Omega 5 Fisher, and this is my boat. What the hell? All right, something needs to change here. All right.
Hey, you can't see it. It's because I'm wearing the hoodie right now.
Oh, that's right. FYI, he's wearing the California hoodie.
Yeah.
All right, guys, fish on. Here's a gaff for now. It's heavy. You want to reel up your other line, or?
Oh, it's okay right now.
It's okay. All right.
Just take care of this.
This is a fat boy. I don't know if you guys can see, but
Yeah, dude.
keeper. Okay, one second. Ooh. One second, Chris. I'm gonna slow down a bit. Pull up to the front. There you go. Second fish, baby! Yeah! 2 on 2! 2 on 2! Measurement is just made 22.
Yeah, 22.
Just 22. Good enough, baby.
Because of the broken mouth, it's just a 22.
Yeah. It's all good. I'll take a 22. Ah. 2 for you and 2 for me.